Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
म्हाका खास खोस भोगता कारण होच कार्यक्रम आमी परत एकदा 8 जानेवारी पासून 13 जानेवारी खातीर पुराय इंटरनॅशनल लोकां खातीर करता. इट इज अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर द गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट टू ऑर्गनायज द इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्टिवल फ्रॉम द 8th of January to the 13th of January. परत एकदा सांगता की ह्या कार्यक्रमाक कसलीच कमी पडची ना, कसलीच कमी उरची ना. सरकाराची सगळी डिपार्टमेंटां त्या खातीर पुराय सपोर्ट करपा खातीर तांच्या बरोबर आसतले. आमी सगळे जाण मेळोन पर्पल फेस्टिवल हो कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनायज करपाक जाय.
And particularly all the volunteers without a single rupee, all the NGOs without a single rupee, day and night work for Purple Festival 2023, and I expect much more, 4 times bigger Purple Fest, and that is going to be an international Purple Fest which is going to happen from 8 January to 13 January, and we are delighted to know that the Honorable Chief Minister came here and made a big announcement that at any cost we will make this International Purple Festival a big success when it comes to a